What is up, guys? This is your coach Rob. Let's talk about cardiorespiratory system or your body's powerhouse.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
The cardiorespiratory system is made up of your heart, lungs, and blood vessels. Together, they deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles while removing carbon dioxide and other waste products. Why is it important in training? Number 1, improves endurance and stamina. Number 2, strengthens your heart and lungs. Number 3, increase oxygen delivery to working muscles. Number 4, supports faster recovery during exercise. And number 5, lowering the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. The stronger your cardiorespiratory system, the longer and more efficient your body can perform. Whether you're lifting weights, you're running, or simply going about for your daily lives. Train your heart as much as you train your muscle. A healthy heart powers a healthy body.